The spokesperson of the striking Jonglei civil servants said the 3 detained leaders of the trade workers union have gone missing from police cell in Bor. David Mahan, the chairperson of Trade Workers Union, his Secretary General Samuel Magier Locke, and Reuben Madiap, the chairperson of Teachers Union, were arrested while organizing peaceful protests on Friday last week. The trio were part of the civil servants protesting non-payment of 5-month salary arrears in Bor, the state capital. One of the workers, Ibrahim Diou, made allegations that the detainees were transferred to Juba. "We found them missing, and there is no clear information up to the moment. We were told by the police yesterday that the governor and the office of the president told them that their case is a national security case," he said. Ibrahim assumed that Governor Dene Jakchager and the office of the president agreed to take them to Juba, allegedly to be handed over to the National Security Service. They could have been taken to Juba by a police general called Machok, who is a deputy commissioner of police here. "It is unfortunate, by the way, because we demanding our arrears within the framework of civil rights." Diou, who spoke to iRadio on Wednesday morning, said he visited the detention facility where the detainees were kept. iRadio could not immediately verify the allegations made by Mr. Diou. When contacted for a comment, Jonglei State Police spokesperson Major Majak Daniel Tour declined to respond, saying he was busy. But his phone and that of the State Information Minister were later unreachable during the press time.